We are here with...
I'm Dave Ward. I'm the Managing Director of Ring here in Europe.
Now there is the Design Week. We are here for a new step in the IoT for home with the Ring interphone.
Absolutely. Today we've announced Ring Intercom, which is a great way to modernize your existing intercom at home. A lot of Italian families live inside apartments. Over 50% of the population have apartments, and the intercom is often the thing that's at the front door. This is about modernizing that intercom and allowing you to get connected and stay connected to your home.
So I can control all the access remote from home with my smartphone, and I can set different users.
Absolutely. We've got a shared user feature. We also have a feature called Auto Verified Guests, where you can simply set time-bound access to allow somebody to come in, let's say a dog walker, between 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock on a Wednesday, and simply give them access to your apartment directly through your app.
For example, the Amazon delivery too?
Well, we also have a feature called Auto Verify for Amazon deliveries. What that allows you to do is actually have your delivery delivered straight into your building. So when the delivery driver comes to the door, with the right access at the right time, with the right package in front of the door, they can simply buzz the apartment and drop that off. Imagine the convenience of simply being able to take your delivery whenever you're out.
And the system is safe? If I lost my phone, the system is safe?
Absolutely. You can revoke access to the app just
from the site. Website.
Yeah, exactly. Just go to ring.com and you could revoke access to the app straight away.
And what about the installation of the product?
Well, the installation is very easy. We're actually compatible with most audio intercoms and many of the video intercoms. We have a compatibility checker that's available on ring.com and the Amazon website.
Okay.
Simply go there, put in your intercom, you'll be given full instructions on how to set it up, and you can be up and running in minutes.
And I need only a screwdriver?
Absolutely. The device itself sticks to the wall right next to your existing handset, and then simply connect the relevant terminals, and you'll be up and running in minutes.
Maybe for the installation I can make a video call with the...
Absolutely. If you do get stuck on that rare occasion that you find that difficult, we also offer great technical support where we'll have a video call with you and help you through making sure you get that connected.
And what about the price?
Well, the price of the product is €129.99, but right now we've got an introductory offer at €49.99, available here until the 27th of April.
So, thank you.
Thank you.
Ciao.
Ciao.